Welcome back to the regular channel again. We just said that before we do this next severe thunderstorm warning, we just heard that the severe thunderstorm warning for Ashtabula counties has been canceled, so that's good. But we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Erie and northern Crawford counties until 3:45 p.m. Eastern. At 2:41 p.m. Eastern, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waterford, or 15 miles south of Erie, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard at 60 miles per hour. Gust, wind gust, and half-dollar size hail. Radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail, damage to roofs, and sliding windows and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations there includes Erie, Corey, Edinburgh, Northeast, Union City, Girard, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Albion, Wattsburg, Kennesaw Lake, Riceville, Northwestern Harbor Creek, Lincolnville, Pomatuming North, Harbor Creek, Lawrence Park, Leslieville, Lake City, and Sagertown. And prepare precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, to move to an incinerator room or on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is considered with this storm. May lead to flash flooding. Do not drive in your vehicles through flooded roadways. Again, listen to me again. Do not drive in vehicles in water. Yeah. Hail threat radar indicated max hail size about 1.5 inches. Wind threat indicates max wind gust at 60 miles per hour. Again, all on a severe thunderstorm warning in effect once again for Crawford and Erie counties, northern Crawford, and also for Erie counties until 3:45 p.m. Eastern time today. Here's the forecast. Let's do it quickly. Here's the forecast for today right now. Variable clouds with strong thunderstorms, strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms could be having damaging winds and large hail. High 88, winds west southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. It was going to say scattered severe thunderstorms, but they must have changed it though. And here's the red sign said strong thunderstorms, damaging winds, large hail. Chance of a tornado could be possible. We'll see about that. So It's only going to be in the daylight hours anyway, so that's good. So everything goes on with the weather and then the storms. Storm threats right there as well. Let's play. I'll show you the radar again right now. Before I did that 2 videos ago, and I'm going to do it again here. Again, I'm going to brighten it down so everybody can see it. Look at that. Might have a potential for flooding, so if there's any flood advisories or flood warnings in effect, we'll get back on. If not, it's all we're going to get is just severe weather. There's those lines of showers and thunderstorms in there too. I don't know if Erie News Now got the update or not. If it did, don't interrupt. Let's make a deal. No, we got CBS News special report just got on after so look at here's the radar, right? Showers, thunderstorms. Look at all that red on there too. I know the thing said rain mixed snow, but I see all but green in this radar so far. Yep. They said thunderstorms possible at 3:30. One in the Midville said storms continuing through 5 o'clock. Thunderstorms should be done especially before dinner time, so that's good. So, all right, we're gonna get off. I think we have. I gotta. All right, we've been around for over 9 minutes, around 9 minutes. So we're gonna get off. Whoops, sorry, almost lost my phone. We're gonna get off now. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Erie and northern Crawford counties until 3:45 p.m. Eastern time. Oh, actually, at 3:03 p.m. Eastern time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Erie to southeastern Erie. I'm gonna put the headphones on now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the headphones on now. while we get off. Um, well, what I was saying is, um, east wind moving east to 45 miles per hour. Already mentioned about these. Here's the they just added the locations right now. That includes Erie, Corey, Edinboro, Northeast, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Albion, Wattsburg, Kennedoto Lake, Riceville, Northwest Harbor Creek, Lincolnville, Prometuming North, Harbor Creek, Lawrence Park, Leslieville, Sagertown was in there, but now they're adding in Conneautville and Cranesville in this one now. So let's repeat the locations again one more time, and then we got to get off. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Time for Erie and northwestern Crawford counties. And I'm mentioning the locations. Let's repeat that one more time, and then we got to get off because we're on for almost 12 minutes. Includes Erie, Corey, Edinboro, Northeast, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Albion, Wattsburg, Kennedoto Lake, Riceville, Northwestern Harbor Creek, Lincolnville, Prometuming North, Harbor Creek, Lawrence Park, Leslieville, Sagertown, Conneautville, and Cranesville. All on a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Time on this Thursday, June 16th, 2022 from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. I didn't know they added Conneautville or Craneville. Usually they didn't say that. And now it's on there now. So, alright, we're going to get off and we'll get back on with the next weather update. Hopefully, probably next one's going to be northwestern Crawford and possibly eastern Crawford County. If they're on here, we'll get back on. We'll get back on. So we're going to get off now, and thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube, and we'll talk to you guys on the next weather update. Talk to you later.